Hi everyone, this is Vic, and great to see you once again on this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two simple fills. Let's get to it right away. Great. Before we get started, I'm going to show you the stickings, right, how it works. So if you see on the diagram, if it says R, it's for right, and L is for left, and K is for kick. And in the meantime, we're going to be working on this fill on just the snare drum and the kick drum, just to get the stickings and footwork correct before we move on to the rest of the kit. Let's do that. Great, now that you have got your stickings and footwork, we're gonna maneuver around the kit. You do not have to be stifled. These are just my creations, my ideas. You can create your own because you have got these stickings. So since you got your stickings, you can move around any way you like. You can even change the right to a left or left to the right. It does not matter, right? For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you what I've got. Let's get to it right now. Alright everyone, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Sad to let you go, but nevertheless, we have got two extra fills in our pocket today. So you can work on them. Like I said, you've got the stickings, you've got the footwork. I showed you two examples. I'm not going to stifle you. You can create your own. If you do have your own creative ideas, do share it with me in the comments section below. I would really love to see some of your creations. In the meantime, I would like to say that if you like the video, please do subscribe or like them or share them, and no obligations. And thank you for watching. Stay healthy, keep grooving. Goodbye.